Oh shit, there's a cop.
Hello, my big beautiful wall. Will you be my best friend?
Nope.
I'm gonna hit all these stairs. Damn, I'm just lugging this shit in second gear. Ring, ding, 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 ding. I'm a fucking squid. That would be fun. Son of a bitch. What? Since when was that gate was there? Oh well, that probably is the reason why. That was cool.
And we say bye-bye.
What a hero. Let's hit this track jump up here. Oh yeah? I like Wendy's for their spicy nugs and baked potatoes. I got you. Here, need cushion if you want to take it, put it on your couch. Here, we could get down here. I'm trying to get out of here if it smells terrible. Oh, I did it. On the short part. Oh, no. Now I'm stuck. Ah, I did it. Ooh, I see jumping opportunities. I just need to get over here. There's a ladder here. I am intrigued. Dude, there's been people camping up here. Hey. Oh shit, there's a cop. No, I'm just kidding.
Got him!
Before I fall through the roof. That's gross. Hey, did you get your new tire for your bike? Well, RMZ's got some fresh meat. Oh no! Well, see you later, buddy. Give me 2 packages of the s'mores ones. Yo! Got it.